Hi friends! So it's time for our drawing and we are going to try to draw Matman together today. So get out your paper and your pencil and you can draw with me, all right? We're going to start right here and here we go. You can sing it with me as well if you remember the song. Matman has one head, one head, one head. Matman has one head so that he can think. All right, now what does Matman need? That's right, he needs some eyes. So let's give him Matman has two eyes, two eyes, two eyes. Matman has two eyes so that he can see. All right, now what does he need? That's right, he needs a nose. Matman has one nose, one nose, one nose. Matman has one nose so that he can smell. All right, now he needs a mouth. Matman has one mouth, one mouth, one mouth. Matman has one mouth so that he can talk and eat and sing. All right, now he needs to be able to hear. So Matman has two ears, two ears, two ears. Matman has two ears so that he can hear. And we need to give him some hair. So, should we make it a Matman or a Matgirl? We'll make Matman for today, and then next week we can make Matgirl. All right, so we can make Matboy. Matboy has some hair, some hair, some hair. Matboy has some hair to keep his head warm. All right, now Matman needs a body. So we're learning about circles right now, so let's do a circle body. Matman needs one body, one body, one body. Matman needs one body to hold what is inside his heart, his tummy, his lungs. Now I want you to look at my body, my Matman body. It's really more of an oval, but it is something kind of round. All right, now Matman needs some arms. Matman needs two arms, two arms, two arms. Matman needs two arms so that he can reach. All right, now Matman needs some hands. Matman needs two fingers, two hands, two hands, two hands. Matman needs two hands so that he can clap, and we'll clap in just a minute. I'm giving my hands, which are sort of circles, 5 fingers, because we have a thumb and 4 fingers, which makes 5. But he has 2 hands so that he can clap. All right, now Matman needs some legs. Matman needs 2 legs, 2 legs, 2 legs. Matman needs 2 legs so that he can stand. And Matman needs 2 feet. Matman needs 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. Matman needs 2 feet so that he can walk. All right, now we should put our name on our Matman. So you guys write your name on your Matman, and I'm gonna write Dr. Loshi on my Matman, because that is my name. All right, so Landon, put your name on your Matman, and Avi, write your name on yours. If you can't write your name, you could have your mom or dad write it and you can trace it. Millie, put your name on yours. And Maddie, put your name on yours. All right, friends, you did a great job with your Matman. See you soon. Bye-bye.